I just took a picture of your chest, dude.
Amazing.
You're my best friend, right?
That's right.
Why?
Why? Well, because I want a best friend and you want a best friend, and then we're both really cool people. That's why.
Can I wear my glasses?
Already.
I feel like I look dumb.
You feel like you look dumb and then you're gonna put those goofy glasses on?
Can you play Amazing Because It Is by the Armor?
You do look smart with them on.
I do not.
You can't? Yeah. I don't know. I don't have the chords for it. I don't know what chords are.
Video camera?
You want to listen to it?
Yeah, she told me to.
You're taking pictures or recording?
Recording.
So record voice too?
Yeah.
I put on her face and her face goes like.
I don't know this all like this. I might mess up. I'll better part the opening though. I'm not going to use them. You're not home.
I can't.
The brownest one here.
Oh!
Oh yeah,
Oh. Get off!
You guys want to go walk around the course there?
Yeah.
Alright. Tanida, you want to go walk around? Record thing. I don't care, bro. You just want to be a fifth wheel.
Press the big button!
Oh. It didn't stop.
Yeah, it did.